Hey guys, welcome to Buck8Fam. Today I'm doing for my makeup on. So first we're going to start with lipstick. That's done. Now let's start with my blush. I'm going to see which one I got. So I want this one, and guess what? I'm gonna use, let's use pink, light pink, for my cheeks. Now let's do my eyeshadow in my bag. The back. Now let's open the eyeshadow. I need help, Mom. Now I gotta find my blush. It's in here. Not that one. Where is it? Okay, let's start doing it again. Which color do I want? And now I'm gonna do another color. Open it up. Let's do blue. And this. Let's put some white on top. Well, let's put a little bit of purple that I'm done. Purple. The lipstick. Let's do this one. Let's grab it off. There. Oh, my lipstick. Let's put it back on. Now, let's do another pack of blush. Not that one. Yeah. Let's use one of these. So, which one do I want? I got this one. One more patch, but this patch I'm gonna put on my cheeks. Yeah. Now, oh my eyelashes. On this lid to make it put on my lashes. Oh, Kevin, stop. Say, I had to move my sister out. Her name is Catherine. Patch. Dot. My patch. Dot. That's all my makeup.